In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a product on Etsy. To start, you'll go to Etsy and you will navigate to the shop that you want, click on the product that you want, and then on the product listing, you'll see a button that says Add to Cart. Click Add to Cart and that will automatically add it to your cart. You may be taken directly to your cart, or it might show up over here on a sidebar, a little pop-up. It depends on Etsy on what shows up. If you ever want to go to your cart, you go to the top menu, click on the little cart at the end on the right side, and it'll bring you to this page. On this page, you'll see all the products in your cart. So you'll see the shop name and then the products. And if there's multiple, they'll be listed down here. And then the first thing you need to do is select how you'll pay. So you click on one of the buttons for either your bank account, PayPal, or Google Pay. If you're not logged in, if you're checking out as a guest, you'll not have the bank account option here. You'll just have Visa, PayPal, Google Pay. And then if you are adding up over $50 in Etsy purchases, you'll have the option for Klarna. If it's less than that, you can't select it. I'm not a big fan of buy now, pay later, so I'm going to select my credit card. And then if you have a coupon code, you would click apply coupon code and enter the code here and click apply. If you don't, you would just move to the next step, which is clicking proceed to checkout. So click the black proceed to checkout button, which brings up a pop-up. If you're signed into your account, it will already have your payment information and your shipping information. If you are checking out as a guest, you would click the ship to and then enter a new address. You would enter your address here. You do full name, address, and then click save. So if you have not entered an address and you're a guest, you would do that. Then you would click on payment and then you would choose a payment option. So if you're a guest, you would either select add a new card and then you would enter the information for that, or you would click PayPal or Google Pay. If you're logged into an account, you have other options like add a bank account or redeem a gift card. If you're checking out as a guest, this will look different, but you will just select the payment method that you want to use, fill in the information and click save, and then it will show up right here under payment. You have to do both of these things, whether you're purchasing a physical or digital product. For a digital product, there will be nothing shipped to you, but it is used to calculate the sales tax. So once you have your shipping address and your payment information, you're going to click the review your order button. So once you click that black button, if you are logged in to your Etsy account, it automatically just goes ahead and does the purchase. If you're checking out as a guest, there is an extra step. So you review your order just to make sure everything looks right. Either way, once you've completed your purchase, there will be a thanks for your order. It will give you your order number, and then it will give you a little bit of information about Etsy. I hope this video was helpful on showing you how to quickly make an order on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next Etsy video.